Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach, and if you are an adventure lover who is in the market for a Class A motorhome that can meet all of your needs, I have got just the thing. This is the 2024 Axis 25/7. Massive rear storage bay. It's the biggest Axis in the lineup, and it's going to be outfitted a little differently than the other floor plans. So if you want certain features, certain options, check with your local Thor Motor Coach dealer. Build your own at thormotorcoach.com, but let's check out the inside of this 25/7. Inside the 25/7, this is set up for you and your family. You're gonna have seat belts for 4, you're gonna have sleeping for 4, and we're gonna start with our sofa right over here. A very comfortable sofa. You can sit here. There's a wireless charger. A table goes in. You just pop the legs right in. You set that up. Now you're having dinner. The table stores conveniently behind the sofa, and what is really nice and really easy is it makes up into a bed. It's a jackknife, so if you literally just pull it out just like this, and then you throw your blankets on top, and now you have a very cozy bed. The other two places to sit, right up front, these seats swivel. And what's great is there is a pedestal table that pops in between, and this is a wonderful place to get a little work done. So you're gonna sit up here, you're gonna turn on your laptop, you're gonna set up your own safe, secure internet connection with the WineGuard Connect 2.0, 4G hotspot, and Wi-Fi extender. Now you are online no matter where you happen to be. Or maybe you want to use that connection to watch a little TV. This is a smart TV in here, so all your favorite streaming apps are built in. You can use that internet connection you created, set it up with the TV, and stream all your favorite movies, shows, and sports. Couple of places to sleep up front, right? We said sleeping for 4. Again, this makes into a bed, and right up top is a drop-down overhead bunk. That is controlled right here with Rapid Cam Plus. You can use the main panel here. There are remote switches on the wall. You can also use your phone, download the app, and you can control. There's an awning outside we'll show you. So all the features and functions can be controlled from your phone or right here. Real quick spin from your main screen here. Check your tank levels, turn on your lights, check your climate, your water pump. Next down below, turn on your water pump, your tank heaters, check your tank levels. We'll talk about tank capacities when we head outside. From here, your awnings, your slide, your optional electric stabilizing jacks, your AC, your furnace, your lights. Over here is where you're going to set up your auto gen start. You can start and stop the generator from here. This is a 4,000 watt gas generator. You can check your solar charging. 100 watts of solar is standard. You can check that right from here. And then you can control your vents or your fans, and there are hard buttons down below as well. This leads us into this kitchen. Great kitchen in here. This is going to be campside. Flip up countertop extension when you need more room, and you always need more room in the kitchen, right? Large single bowl sink. There's a cover for this. You have a pull down sprayer. Nice work area right between your sink and your 2-burner gas cooktop. A pop-up outlet. You have two 110s, USB-C and USB-A. If you want to watch a digital cookbook, go ahead and make sure that that is plugged in, and then you will know exactly what you need to do to make up something wonderful, be it here on the cooktop or down below in the convection microwave. And what's great about this microwave, it has an air fryer button on it, right? So now you don't have to bring along an air fryer. The microwave will do it for you. A lot of storage in here. If you do want to bring along an air fryer or a blender or a toaster, whatever it is you want to bring along, a lot of storage. Up top over here, you have 4 cabinets, so plates, dishes, whatever else you want to bring along. 2 large cabinets above the sofa and some very large closets. You have a very large closet right over here by the sofa where the ladder for the bunk stores, as well as the legs for the table that sets up in front of the sofa and the pedestal table there. Another large closet right back here, a number of drawers below. So a lot of great storage for all of your belongings except your food. You're gonna wanna put that right here in your 12-volt double door refrigerator. You have a freezer, you have a fridge, loaded up with all your favorites, and a very large pantry back here. Again, this is where you're going to want to put all of those large appliances that you want to bring with you on your adventure trips. Into the bathroom. This is really a great bath setup in here. Everything you need. Start here in the printed shower surround. You can see plenty of headroom back here. You have your shower. You have your sink right back here. Porcelain foot flush toilet. medicine cabinet, places for towels, even a hook on the door. So a wonderful bath setup in this 25/7. And now, the area that sets the 25/7 apart, this great storage area. We have a molly rack right back here. So whether it's a motorcycle helmet or maybe it's paddles for your paddle board, you can strap whatever you need to right here. And this is going to be a full-size bed. Right now we have this flipped up so you can load in and out. A couple of plugs down here. You have a 12 volt, you have a 110. This makes into a bench when you are just sitting back here. When you have this loaded up, you do have tie downs right here to keep all of your gear nice and secure when you are traveling down the road. And then when you are ready to sleep, you just pull the lever, you fold the bed down. Now you have a full-size sleeping area. You have a net back here to charge your devices. It's everything you need. It's a nice little getaway. You can sleep with the door shut and lock it for privacy, but if you are out there and you want some ventilation, you can open the door. The screen folds down, and now you have nice airflow running through your 25/7. I am going to run right up front here and talk about getting this Access 25/7 to all your favorite campsites, because this is a great driving machine. Walking through the dash, we're going to start from left to right. Place to set your phone, heated remote mirrors. There's an integrated camera in those mirrors, so when you turn your directional on, left or right, the image in that camera will show up right here on your infotainment center. There's also a button over here on the steering wheel that will pull up your backup or your directional camera just by pressing the buttons. The other buttons here control entertainment features for your radio. On this side, we have a thumb pad up here. That is going to go through maintenance reminders, trip meters, and that type of stuff right here on your dash. Then down below, we have buttons for your cruise control. Fog lights, emergency start button, auto headlights, 6-speed transmission right here at the tow haul mode. This is a V8, a 7.3 liter V8. This is built on a Ford E450 chassis. You have 325 horsepower, 450 pound-feet of torque. Moving over to our infotainment center, this has all of the goodies on it right here that you need. Scroll through, and what do you want to listen to? Is it Sirius XM? Is it Android Auto? Is it Apple CarPlay? You can plug into the USB port right down here and be happy on your road trip. Over here, a button for your traction control, your night shade, your generator start, a button for your cabin lights, which are right up above. You also have a couple of 12-volt charging ports, and then your standard HVAC controls are here, and then a nice little place to store your phone down here. These are the optional power seats in this Access. For the passenger, you're going to love having this, a flip-out dash workstation. So if you want to take and get connected on the road, you've already set up your Winegard Connect, right? So you're driving down the road, you pull that out, you get a little work done. You set up the autoresponder, because you forgot to turn that on before you went on vacation, right? You're going to be out of the office, adventuring in your Access. You can set that up right from here no matter where you happen to be. There are a couple of plugs down below, but in order for those to get juice while you're on the road, make sure that you are running that generator. And again, you can start that generator right from here, but I'm going to show you where it is as we head outside and start our exterior tour. Here we are on the business end of the 25/7. Lots of storage, a lot of storage on the exterior. You have a bay here, a nice bay here. This is your 4,000 watt gas generator that we started from Rapid Camp Plus. And what I really like about this setup is everything you need to get camp set up, your plumbing, your electrical, it's all right here. You have your tank flush, your city water connection, an exterior shower. Your black and gray tanks are right there. On your tank levels, you have a 40-gallon freshwater tank, a 41-gallon gray tank, and a 30-gallon black tank. This is going to be a 30-amp coach, and if you like cable TV, you can plug that right in there if it is offered at the campsite. But again, these are smart TVs. You have the Winegard, so go ahead and stream away. In the back, we have the large opening here. This is where you're going to put in your canoes and your mountain bikes and everything else that you need. This screen door folds down, so when you're back here, you can catch a breeze, or you can open these up completely, so you're going to get a lot of ventilation out here. The door has a little latch, so if you want to shut it, you just undo the latch and then you shut it, lock it, and you are secure. You have a steel bumper back here. This is where your 55 gallons of fuel goes, and 8 1,000-pound hitch on this, and on this particular 25/7, your occupant and cargo carrying capacity, 3,267 pounds. You have a steel bumper, you have a ladder leading up to that cross-flex roof, and the way that this is built, as we walk around to the other side, you have a welded tubular aluminum roof, a welded steel, tubular steel floor, you have sidewall cage construction, block foam insulation, then these walls are vacuum bonded and laminated, and then they are outfitted with this great graphics package here. This is called Blue Rain. Fresh water fill is right here. You have a storage bay right here. Another storage bay is right here. Exhaust for your furnace, exhaust for your hot water heater, exterior propane connection. So bring along a grill, bring along a griddle, turn wherever you are camping into your own barbecue pit. Make every place your backyard. That is where you fill your propane. Remember, you're going to need your propane on for your furnace, your hot water. So make sure that you have that on. If you want to plug in an accessory, we have a couple of 110s here. You do need to be plugged into shore power or have the generator running for those. Another nice storage bay here. And up front, you have another great storage bay to load up all your gear. So this is the Axis 25/7. Adventure lovers, take note. This is the one you want when you are ready to go anywhere and take all of your toys with you when you're ready to build your own. Visit thormotorcoach.com.